where are they going? Does it matter who goes first to you at this point?
That's some teamwork, Georgia and Aubrey. Stay up with each other.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, single file. Tanner, Georgia, Aubrey, go! You guys are way off.
Okay, that worked. Are they supposed to tandem the last one?
Yeah. Come on, one more jump, Aubrey. One more jump. Georgia, you're supposed to wait for Aubrey. I forgot. Trot it, Holly. Peyton, trot it.
Show us how it's done.
Woo!
Oh.